Have to press it down really hard at the end?
It'll store.
Yeah.
I think we were stuck on that like rough.
Yeah, you wiped that thing out.
Sorry. Sorry.
Down. You got boot? You don't have rubber boots. I got rubber boots in here, Kel.
He'll get it.
Yeah, if he stands up and wiggles, oh yeah, he'll get out of there.
Jump on this side. All your weight on this side. Oh, you're in the mud hole. You're going to get wet.
Where's the air intake?
Jump on this side of the road rocket. You're going to get wet. Don't worry about it. I bet that's on both hands. Now throttle it and sort of yank this way. Keep going. You're moving.
What if we and you pull her by hand here? Up
Just
here.
enough to get
Just
her off
enough
that
to get
stump.
Darren, it's even deeper this time.
It was on the bottom of yours. How do you get video on yours?
Just switch that screw on top till it's the video camera. Just a sec. If we come over this way.